All right, so if you want to get your local channels with your TV, look at this antenna. This is a nice sturdy antenna that they give you, including a long cable. Well, you could have this either indoors or outdoors. They give you extensions, connections, and actual the adhesive too that you can connect to the actual wall. And this is an extender that you can connect from your TV. And you power it up with the USB. Now, most of the TVs do have USB for powering up the station, but look at this coaxial cable that you have to connect it and extend the connection, of course. Now, when you're connecting it, you could connect it to other devices in here, and this is it. So you are going to need to power it up, the device, and this goes to your TV, the USB and the coaxial, and this one goes to the actual antenna. All right, so let's test it out, see how it works. Now, this one has a coaxial too, but if you want more channels and get more volume for your antenna, you will have to use the USB connection. All right, so we're going to plug in both of them. If you guys can see, we do have power now, and we're going to plug in that. This one goes to the TV. This one goes to the TV. All right, so they're going to plug it in. All right, if you guys can see, we're going to plug it in first, all right? That's what you want to do. Now that we have power on the actual antenna, near the window, so we have a place that we could set it up. And of course, this has a post mount too, all right? So you could do it either post, adhesives, or screw to the wall. Yeah. All right, we're going to turn on to the local coaxial connection. So, all right, so what you want to do is change it to, instead of your HDMI connection, we're going to go into TV, all right, all the way to the first one, TV. All right, hit enter. Now on some TVs it doesn't recognize it, but look at this. You go automatically programmed to recognize all the channels. You're gonna have to do that with your own TV, and depends on your own provider too. So, but here we're looking at different channels. This is a large 70-inch or 65-inch TV. Change the channel, keep changing it. How many channels can we get here? You can't go up the channels, just like up. So the channel, depending on your signal, it'll come in real quick, but the quality is really good. So if you ever want to use your antenna, plug it in. You can move it to the window. Right now, we're not even in the window. We're getting a lot of channels from it. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Look at that.